the law that shapes our destiny. Everything that happens to us is up to us. Is life predetermined, or do we have the power to shape our own destiny? Do we control what happens to us, or are we just passengers on a road we never chose? Some believe in fate. Others believe in free will. But one thing is undeniable. How we react to life's events is entirely up to us. Look at where you are in life right now. Your career, your relationships, your financial situation, your happiness. Every decision you've made up until this moment has led you here. Your past choices have shaped your present reality. But if that's true, then it also means you have the power to shape your future. The illusion of blame. People love to blame external factors for their situation. I didn't get the job because the system is unfair. My relationship failed because my partner didn't care enough. I can't succeed because the world is against me. But let's take a closer look. Who chose to apply for that job? Who chose to stay in that relationship? Who made the daily decisions that led to this moment? If we refuse to take responsibility, we give up our power. Because if everything is someone else's fault, then nothing is in our control. But the truth is, everything is in our control. How perception shapes reality. Two people, same situation. One sees a problem, the other sees an opportunity. This isn't about luck, it's about perspective. Our thoughts shape our emotions. Our emotions drive our actions, and our actions create our reality. So, if you want to change your life, first you must change the way you see the world. Imagine you get a new coworker. You can see them as competition, someone threatening your position. Or you can see them as an opportunity to learn, to collaborate, to grow. The situation is the same. The only difference is how you choose to see it. Your questions shape your future. Questions you ask yourself every day determine your direction in life. If you ask, why do bad things always happen to me? Your brain will look for evidence to confirm that belief. But if you ask, what can I learn from this? How can I grow? Your mind will find solutions instead of problems. Your brain is wired to seek answers to the questions you ask. Make sure you're asking the right ones. The power of taking responsibility. Here's the secret successful people understand. Taking responsibility is not about guilt or blame. It's about power. If you take responsibility, you take control. You stop waiting for things to change, and you become the one who changes them. Instead of saying, I have no time, say, I haven't made it a priority. Instead of saying, I'm stuck, say, I haven't found the right path yet. This shift in mindset will transform your life. The trap of waiting. Too many people are waiting for the perfect moment to start a business, waiting for the right relationship to bring them happiness, waiting for luck to change their lives. But waiting is an illusion. The only perfect moment is now. What you do today determines your tomorrow. Stop waiting. Start creating. How to change your future. If you want to change your future, start with 3 simple steps. 1. Take full responsibility, no more blame. No more excuses. 2. 3. Take action, even small steps create big results over time. Success isn't an accident. Happiness isn't luck. They are the result of your daily choices. Final message. Everything that happens to you is up to you. Not because you control the world, but because you control how you respond to it. You can choose to live in fear or in possibility, in excuses or in action, in blame or in power. Choice is yours. The question is, what will you choose today? Your destiny is in your hands. Choose wisely.